Looking to get glowing skin? Would you rather use some of things you have around your home instead of spending tons of money solutions? Then look no further. Here are 10 at-home remedies for glowing skin. 1. Honey. Honey is one of those ingredients that has tons of health benefits. Whether using it internally or externally is all around wonderful. Taking a teaspoon of honey and daily massaging it into skin help with dry skin and skin blemishes. 2. Figs. Figs, like honey, are great when consumed and taste delicious. Along with their delicious flavor, they can also work wonders on the skin. Taking a couple figs and chopping them, mashing them, and adding to a little milk can really work wonders. Apply the paste to your face and allow to dry or for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off paste, pat face dry and moisturize as normal. 3. Avocado. Avocado can be a great ingredient to keep around the house, as it can be great for your skin when consumed both internally and externally. Its high fat content can help to combat dry skin. One thing to consider if applying avocado to your skin is that due to its high fat content, it has potential to clog pores. 4. Milk. Milk has been known for years to help the skin. It softens and moisturizes skin, and it is a very diverse ingredient. Whether simply washing your face with it or taking a bath in it, adding milk to your beauty routine is a great idea. 5. Banana. This one isn't as popular as some of the other skin glowing remedies we have mentioned, but that doesn't mean it's not effective. To use it, take a ripe banana and mash it into a nice paste-like pulp. Massage it over your skin and rinse appropriately with water and pat dry. The potassium, vitamin E and vitamin C is sure to add a nice glow to your skin. If this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button.